Temperature scales. Temperature is measured using different temperature scales. In a temperature scale, two reference temperatures are chosen. Most commonly the freezing and boiling point of water. Since the difference between those two is broken down into a certain number of divisions, each division is taken as one unit of the scale. The commonly used scales are the Celsius scale, the Fahrenheit scale, and the Kelvin scale. Celsius scale. This scale was developed by Andreas Celsius. The unit of the scale is degrees Celsius. On this scale, the division falls between the freezing point of water taken as 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water taken as 100 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is also called the lower fixed point, whereas 100 degrees Celsius is called the upper fixed point. There are 100 divisions between these 2 points. Fahrenheit scale. This scale was developed by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. The unit of the scale is degrees F. On this scale, the big point of water is taken as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water is taken as 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The lower fixed point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 180 divisions between these 2 points. Kelvin scale. This scale was invented by Lord Kelvin. The unit of the scale is K. On the scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 273 degrees Kelvin and the boiling point of water is taken as 373 degrees Kelvin. It is called the absolute scale of temperature since it is 0 degrees Kelvin is the absolute zero. That is the lowest attainable temperature in the universe. Conversion of scales. The three temperature scales, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, can be converted from one to the other using the following formula.